Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use merge shelf on YouTube 2025, a complete walkthrough. So creators, welcome back, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to use YouTube merge shelf. This is one of the best ways to actually sell your products directly under your videos and turn your views into extra income. So let's get into it. Your first step would be, as always, to open up your browser and simply log on to YouTube. So make sure you're logged on to YouTube Studios or to your YouTube dashboard. That's your channel dashboard on YouTube Studios. So once you're here, in order to access the merged shelf, you're going to need to have a couple of things. Your channel needs to meet a certain requirement. Basically, you must be a monetized YouTube channel. So you must be in the YouTube partnership program, which is for creators who have crossed about 1,000 subscribers or more, or have crossed over 25,000 views. Now, your requirements may vary by your region. If you're in the UK, it could be different. If you're in the US, it would most likely be different. And if you're in Canada or any part of Europe, it would be different. Now, you also need a connected merch platform. So, a merch platform could be something like Shopify, Teespring or Spring, Spreadshop, any of these stores that can connect to YouTube and, display your products or your merch on YouTube for you. So it's basically a connection from point A to point B. Point A being your Spotify or sorry, your Shopify, and point B being the YouTube account it's going to be connected to. Now, in order to check if you've qualified for the YouTube partnership program, just head over to the earn section. So click on earn here, and it's on the earn menu that you would know if you're a partner of YouTube. As you can see, I am a YouTube partner myself, and these are what I am using for extra payments. You can see your YouTube partner program options, you can see your ID, and then if you scroll a bit you can see the agreement and some other things as well. Now, more ways to earn. So underneath the more ways to earn, we have shopping, which is basically the merch shelf. Uh, so in order to get started, just click on get started, and they would verify if you are, if you can access the merch shelf from your YouTube viewership or YouTube subscribers. Now, your next step would be to simply click on shopping. You can find it at the top of your screen here where we have overview, watch page ads, shorts feed ads, shopping and player for education. So click on shopping and you're taken to the YouTube shopping. So it's basically get your products in front of viewers on YouTube and earn more. Select the partner platform to get started. So click on setup, and now you can see the shops you can use. So we have Spreadshop. It's a free and easy to use merchandise platform for on-demand printing. Get free design perks if you have 50,000 subscribers plus. And then we have Shopify, we have Shopline, and we have Fourth Wall. So these are some of the, okay, we have Spring, T Public, and Wix. So these are some of the platforms you can actually partner with in order to get your products out there. You just need to have an account on either Shopify, Shopline, Fourth Wall. Spreadshop is for those who have 50,000 subs if you're looking for, free design perks. We have Spring. It's a free and easy to use merchandise platform for on-demand printing. Get free design perks if you have 100,000 subs. So if you have 100,000 subs, you're gonna get free design perks as well. And Wix. So these are the platforms you can partner with. So now all you need to do for any of these platforms, let's say we want to work with Fourth Wall. I like the name. So click on select. Now, by connecting your Fourth Wall and YouTube account, data relating to merchandise sales and visits would be shared between Google, Fourth Wall, and YouTube for product improvement and to provide relevant analytics. Google's or Fourth Wall's use of such data would be governed by the entity's respective privacy policy. By enabling the merchandise shelf, which is basically what we're doing, you agree to any terms relating to and use of the merchandise shelf and its related features. Does not create any employment relationship between Google and you. All right, so basically you need to agree to their terms of service and then click on accept, and that's the only way you're going to be getting access to the merchandise shelf or merch shelf. All right. So, a couple of things. In order to customize your merch shelf, once you're on YouTube Studios, underneath the shopping page here, after you've selected and connected your shopping account, you can simply add up to 30 items. So, once you've connected them, they would be listed here, and you can simply add up to 30 items to your shopping list, basically. So, let's say you're selling some t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tracks, or Jordans. Now they are going to be listed on your screen, and all you need to do is select the items you want to be displayed on your video. Now, after that, you can now choose which of them would appear under which video. So the number of videos you have would show as well, and then you can now add them to your videos. And also, you can rearrange them from your best sellers to the least performers. And always feature products. This is a tip, always feature products that connect with the video's content for better conversion. Now, your merch shelf will appear below your videos on desktop and mobile. That's when you're watching a video. And also during live streams, your products will be shown in the live chat under the stream window. So keep that in mind. And this keeps your store right in front of your audience with no extra clicks needed. So while they're watching your videos, your products would be just floating on the screen. Now, in terms of analytics and optimization, you can go head over to YouTube Analytics. All you need to do is just come over to underneath content, we have analytics, and simply click on analytics. Once you've clicked on analytics, you're dropped at the overview, the content, audience, and trends. You can see how your channel has improved in the last 30 days and things of that nature. So when you're on analytics, once you've connected your account, you would find after audience and trends, you would find something like revenue. So you would find a revenue option for your account. It's basically just going to showcase your clicks, sales, and revenue per products, and which videos or streams are driving the most merch sales. So you can keep this in mind, and then you can use this information to double down on your products that sell well, test different designs and product placements, and align your merch with the trending content on your channel. So you can use this data to simply double down on products that actually sell well, test different designs and product alignment or placements, and also align your merch with the trending content on your channel. Now, a few tips so you get more sales would be mention your merch in your video or pin a comment with a call to action like, please buy some of our merch. You could just be honest with your viewers about the merch and everything, and also use a limited time offer or exclusive drops for subscribers, and also match your designs to inside jokes, quotes, and popular topics of your channel. All right, guys, that's how you can use the YouTube merch shelf in 2025. Just set it up once, connect your store, and watch your content bring in merch sales automatically. If this workthrough helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.